Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to take a look at a garage door like the one behind me here. We're going to go through how it works, what to do if it's not closing properly. Let's take a look at it, see what our options are on this door. Well, here's an option for you if you're going for a walk or going for a bike ride and you don't want to carry your keys with you. You just punch your code in and your door opens. Here's a safety feature for your garage door. Here's a laser. Green light means the laser beam is continuous across to the sensor on the other side. If you walk through it, the door goes back up. So if your car is in the way, your garage door can't close. So it's a great feature, preventing vehicles from getting damaged. But if you're leaving the garage and the garage is coming down, you have to step over the laser so the door doesn't go back up, and then the door will close behind you. Well, this is usually the culprit when your garage door is not closing properly and not functioning. Quite often you've bumped into it, you put a shovel away in the corner over here, or you accidentally hit it. Puts the laser out, so the laser's not hitting the sensor on the far side. So all you got to do is come over here and line this side up, and then go to the other side and line that one up, so they both line up and you have a green light here. This will solve all your problems. It does happen once in a while, so this is how you can fix that problem very easily. Hope that helps you. You ever wonder what this cable is for, this rope hanging down here? Well, just say power goes out and you got to get out. You got to go to work, but your garage door is not going to open. All you do is pull on this, and that releases it. Put your hands underneath the door and lift the door up. And then once the power's back on, you hit your remote control and it'll travel all the way back and then it will engage again. And there you go. That's what the cable's for. Well, this is a basic explanation on how your overhead door works, some safety features and some options that you have on how it functions. Hope that helps you solve any problems that you have with your door. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.